Marine warning for New York Harbor until 11:45 p.m. At 10:54 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 35 knots 6 nautical miles north of Raritan Bay, moving northeast at 35 knots. The thunderstorm will be near Lower New York Harbor around 11:05 p.m. Upper New York Harbor, the Verrazano Narrows around 11:10 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 11:15 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. for the following marine location: New York Harbor.